Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mitsubishi Pajero versus Toyota Hilux. We'll dive into their core strengths, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. The Pajero, a versatile SUV, offers a comfortable ride and impressive off-road capabilities. Meanwhile, the Hilux stands out as a legendary pickup truck, celebrated for its ruggedness and utility. Let's explore what makes each of these vehicles a top contender. When it comes to performance, the Pajero often provides a more refined driving experience, especially on paved roads, thanks to its independent suspension. The Hilux, built as a workhorse, typically offers superior payload and towing capacities, making it ideal for demanding tasks. While both are highly capable off-road, the Pajero leans into comfort, whereas the Hilux emphasizes sheer ruggedness and utility in challenging environments. Moving inside, the Pajero generally offers a more car-like interior, prioritizing passenger comfort with plush seating and a range of advanced features. The Hilux, on the other hand, focuses on durability and practicality, with an interior designed to withstand tough use and easy cleaning. Both vehicles, in their more recent iterations, come equipped with modern infotainment systems and essential safety technologies to enhance your driving experience. Ultimately, choosing between the Pajero and Hilux depends on your specific needs. The Pajero offers a fantastic blend of comfort and off-road capability, often at a competitive price point. The Hilux, with its legendary reliability and robust build, typically holds its resale value exceptionally well. For those looking for a versatile SUV, the Pajero is a strong choice, while the Hilux remains the king of utility. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these amazing leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.